Check the filters again. Again. And now, with the man gone. Yes, fine and China. Can get up into the tower. Let's leave the suitcase somewhere. He'll wake up from the explosion. He might pick up my suit. But I can just pick it up, I think, from the downstairs area. But he'll definitely wake up. I'll just leave the suitcase here then. Let's pick it up. Sure. Save. Let's first kill Mr. Him. Where is he? Yeah, it's in the germ. Let's see, can we shoot the coconuts? Can we even shoot them from here? I cannot see them. Where are they? Where are the coconuties? Oh, can I snipe him? Maybe. Pushy uppies. Shove a bullet up his ears. No, is there a coconut here? Oh, this is, semi-automatic. Wait, it's only him that hears the shots. Perhaps we should subdue him. Running out of ammo. Let's just load back. Dude, no, what? So there may not be a coconut over there. There's a coconut in this palm tree. Can we even shoot the coconuts from here? I don't know. That's what they look like. They hang from the trees like that. But how can we? There's a coconut. Does Mr. Bradley ever go under this coconut? So if we shoot this coconut, where does it fall? Next to the palm tree, like this. Yes. Okay, if he ever walks under there, we could do him. Here he comes. Maybe. Let's load back. How about let's. What if I speak from here? You hear me if I speak from here? Oh, there's on the back. Let me see. You hear me? Look again, maybe. From here, the voice gets louder, substantially. But hope it doesn't get too meh. Let's go back down and my mom knock out this man. Or subdue him. He's sleeping. Can we subdue him? We cannot. And then let's knock him out with MR. Why did it say compromised? I don't get it. Just leaves the body here. Did he see me? Maybe. Disarm him? Yes. We took his gun. We have disarmed him. Now he cannot hurt us. He cannot retaliate. Get on. All that was to see. Yes, we have this gun, and then we have we have already had this gun. Okay, 2 guns now. A long-range weapon and a short-range weapon in case somebody tries to jump us. Oh, my legs. Okay, I think he's going to his private island. He's gonna go for a run. But in the meanwhile, maybe we can see where she goes, where he goes. Can we kill him in an accidental way? I don't know. He is going to the police. Does he ever leave the mansion? Maybe if he comes out to this balcony, we could shoot this. Where did this fall? Did this fall on the balcony or downstairs? I'm not sure. I think it's about to start running. I'm jogging. Jogging. He's still standing still. Whisper what? The target is standing still. There are guards all around him. There he goes. He's running. Shoot him for the bushes. Can my bullet even fly through there? I'm not sure. Okay, coconuts. There are the coconuts. Swing around. Okay. Oh, so close. So close. I took the audio. Forgive me.